All right, let's take a look at volume problem number 3. The question states, from the intake pumps at the reservoir to the treatment plant is 3 miles. The raw water main is 18 inches in diameter. What is the volume in gallons from intake to the treatment plant? So I drew a picture here. It's just kind of supposed to represent what we're looking at. So we have an elevation change of 900 feet. That's 900 feet from where the pump sits to where the treatment plant sits. And the pipe, it's 3 miles of pipe from the pump to the treatment plant. If you look at the formula here, same one we used on volume problem 2, this time we're going to use length instead of height. So let's go ahead, let's punch our numbers in to the formula. So we have 0.785 times the diameter, so at 18 inches in diameter. So for the formula, it has it in feet, so we're going to need to convert this to feet. Luckily here, 18 inches is simple. It's just 8. There's 12 inches in a foot. 18 inches is a foot and a half. So we're going to have 1.5 feet squared times our length. So we have 3 miles. So 3 miles. How many feet are in a mile? If we look back at our formula sheet, it's written on here. Look at that. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So we're going to use that. 3,000. 3 times 5,280 feet is our length. This is our diameter. And we're going to multiply. So this here is our volume in cubic feet. And we're going to multiply times 7.48 gallons per cubic foot to get our answer in gallons, which is what the problem says. What is the volume in gallons from intake to the treatment plant? So we plug this into our calculator. We're going to get 0.785. So we have our volume in gallons equals 0.785 times 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25 feet squared times 3 times 5,280 feet. That equals 15,840 feet times 7.48 gallons per cubic foot. So we have feet squared here times feet. That gives us feet cubed. So if we take 15,840, multiply it times 2.25, multiply that times 0.785, we get 27,977.4 cubic feet, and we're going to multiply that times 7.48 gallons per cubic foot to give us our answer. Plug that into our calculator. And we get an answer of 209,270.95 gallons.